In a place where nature and urban life intertwine, laughter fills the air and the scent of fresh produce wafts through the streets. Welcome to Forest City, where every corner is a testament to sustainable living. But as climate change intensifies, the tranquility of Forest City is threatened. Storm clouds gather on the horizon, casting shadows over the vibrant landscape. In the face of adversity, the strength of community shines. Workshops and meetings ignite a spirit of collaboration as residents come together to protect their home.